Right, so in this video what I want to do is show you how to make your life easier on a third lift. Not easier on a third lift, how to make your life easier on a fourth lift by doing a few things on a third lift. We're taking this plot over, so you know we've gone around it with a laser, which is just there, and this was the highest corner. Everything else was 10 mil lower, which is really good. So we don't want to be notching over these. What we usually do is just bump up a little bit and just get over it within the next couple of course. So this corner, this will be my new height. So I'll set this up to this height. Alright, and I'll transfer this height round to every corner and then gauge up. This way, when you put your window formers in, they'll all be put into a laser, so then when you get to your fourth lift, they're all going to be pretty much bang on. So what we're going to do is transfer I'm alright. Transfer a laser level point on, and then I've got my gauge already set on my. Oh, I can't get to that one. So what I'll do is I'll just go up one, clamp that on, like that, just to help gauge it, and then just transfer like that. So this point was put in with a laser. We gauged down to see if we've got a bump, and then we gauge up. So that's that done. I'll just do the rest. So just go straight down to the next one. Transfer it on there. Slide it down. Clamp it on. White chalk marker, rub straight off when you're done. Yeah, lines up. Fits brick line block if you want one. Right, so we are doubling up a corner with a profile. Before anyone starts saying, why don't you just run the whole wall in? The reason I'm doing it is because it's supposed to rain today. It allows us to have 2 boards each. Drops down to 1 after a while. And it's quick as fuck. And when there's 2 of you laying, we'll finish this corner off, and then that means when we run this in, we can either double up the corner again, or one can just tail out enough that way and then run this whole flank in, because it just means otherwise I would have had to have had boards round there all the way round to the bottom, all the way out there. It's not like the Americans where they can tube everything. You alright, mate? Yeah. Hang on, let me have a look on the drawing. Oh. They're 1050 deep. Is that what you want? The depth? Alright, yeah, alright, cool. Right, where was I?
Just talking about Americans.
Yeah, Americans. The Americans can tube their corners where we can't, and that means we'd have to run all the way down, halfway down here, all the way down there, and halfway out there.
Is that line in the right place? It seems like a tight place.
Yeah, it's because we was bumping up the first few, weren't we? every 3 on the corners. Don't know why, corner's the strongest point of the wall. Tyler, a few more wall ties. Oh, I've got some here, Amy, don't worry. I've got one here. Got some here. Oh, some here and all that. Alright, second brick out, yeah. Huh? Still good. It's come out of touch.
What?
No, it just needs to come out of touch. I ain't got no stabilisers, so. What?
Do you want me to plumb it?
No.
Join.
No, just look down it. You'll be alright. Horrible this stuff, isn't it?
Okay.
Heavy as fuck. Second brick in. Okay, I can't get down to it now. Yeah, that's right.
Please, Tyler.
Too much fucking muck. It was a really windy day, so we couldn't really take anything too high. We built this corner full height. We then ran that in and tailed it out and left it at that height, finished the corner off. Done the same down this side, ran that all in off the corner and tailed it out that way, finished the corner off, and we just fucked about building that last corner over there. Just spent the last half an hour re-cleaning these cavities out. It's just these help just to stop anything from falling down, because this is an open cavity that gets filled at a later date. You've got to keep them clean. But yeah, everything's been put in with a laser now, which makes the fourth lift so much easier.